You ever needed to lift something heavy but you're too weak to? Say goodbye to those days with the iLever. The iLever uses groundbreaking, innovative technology to give you the power behind how you work. What do you think will happen if I apply a force near the end of the iLever?
You'll have to push it far, but not very hard.
And if I apply a force near to the center?
You'll have to push a lot harder, but not as far.
Now you can see the iLever's revolutionary synergy at work. The forces of each side, multiplied by the distance they travel, creates an input and output work that are inversely proportional to one another.
This is our hypothesis. The forces of two opposite sides of a lever are inversely proportional. As the distance between the two opposing forces decreases, one force must increase to compensate for the decreased force on the opposite side to balance the lever.
Let's demonstrate. First, we put two marbles in cups placed equal distances from each other on the iLever. You can see they are balanced. One of the cups is constant. We'll call it cup B. The other cup will be moving. We'll call it cup A.
We move cup A halfway down the side of the iLever that it sits on. The force required to balance is now double, or 4 marbles.
Finally, we move cup A to a point that is 1/4 of the way down its respective side. The force now required to balance is 3 marbles, or 1/4 more force.
You can clearly see that the more we decrease the distance between cup A and cup B, the greater the force must be for cup A. If we increase the distance, the force will be smaller. Therefore, the force and distance are inversely proportional to each other. This is because decreasing the distance on side A means that the force of side A must be increased to keep the work the same as side B. Then the lever will be balanced. As can be seen, the lever is not completely balanced. This is an error due to the forces on both sides of the lever being unequal.
Applying this to a door handle, the gears on the inside of the handle are the resistance, the fulcrum is the hinge, and the force is your hand.